Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint a beautiful painting on the occasion of Valentine's Day. To start coloring this, I am starting with orange paint with less paint and more water in it. You can clearly see that I am just giving it a nice wash. We will add more layers into this consisting of less water and more paint. This will create a depth in our painting. At start, we are going to paint with very light colors. Then we'll gradually go into darker colors. Okay, for the second layer, I have taken orange color with less water into it. I am painting this layer on first layer. I am going to add this paint on the areas where the shadow is more. In watercolors, we have to always paint from lighter to darker shades. I am saving highlights on these areas and I am not going to paint over them because these are the lighter parts of this painting. Okay, while the layer is drying, I am going to start painting on these sleeves. I will mix purple and dark blue colors into her sleeves to make it a little bit different. Now our layer is dried, so we can add another layers. We will only focus on the dark areas from now on. Okay, so let's paint this layer. I'm adding a little bit pinkish color on both the hands. Don't forget to save your highlights. So basically I'm painting on shadows and I'm saving the highlights. Now let's paint the sleeves. I'm adding darker colors into her sleeves. Now I have taken brown color and I am painting it on the shadows, only on the shadows. From layers to layers, we will darken this color and we will add more shadows. I am drawing lines with this color. I am painting her nails now. This is just the first layer. After it dries, I will add one or two more layers onto this to give it a nice and dark red color. Okay, so the process is same. We have to reduce the amount of water in our paints and add the color in layers. It is to create that depth in our painting. So I am fast forwarding this video. Now this is the time to paint background. For the background, I want to add different shades of green. I'm just painting simple circles over this. This will look very nice and simple. So my pet is helping me in this drawing. I just want to create that blurry background. Just make sure when you add a layer, the previous layer should be dry. I mixed brown color with a little bit black color. I will paint it on very dark shadows. Okay, it's time to add some really nice and dark layers of the surface for our background. I really like these kind of blurry backgrounds. They are just so easy to make and give really nice look to our paintings. This painting is nearly finished now. I'm adding a design with white color on her sleeves just to make it look beautiful. It's time to remove the tape now, and the painting is done. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do, then please give a like to this video and do comment your thoughts in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.